Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look for you guys on my non-dominant hand. So if you're interested to see how I did these nails, then please keep on watching. So today I just wanted to make a bit more of a chill kind of video. I'm not really doing any product reviews today, but I just thought it would be nice to finally do my right hand now that I have some time. So I'm just starting off with nail prep. I just use my 180 grit hand file. This is a hand file from To Be Glam. I did do a review on their Polygel kit, so if you are interested to see that video, then I will link that down below. And what I do is basically just remove the shine off the nail surface and also take down any length or anything that I just want to remove, especially if I'm going to keep the set on for a while. I definitely like to make sure I have just a little bit of length or almost no length. So I'm just basically buffing the surface. I haven't done this to my nails in a super long time, so I've really felt like I needed to use do this manually instead of using my e-file. And also I didn't have any really fine grit rubber bands, so I had to use my hand file, but you can always do this with your e-file. And I didn't have too much cuticle, so I didn't actually do any cuticle cleaning. I felt like I removed everything pretty well with the hand file. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm basically buffing over, removing length, wiping away the dust, and then I'm just going to go in with my cuticle nippers and basically remove any extra skin that may be lifted off the nail plate when I was filing my nail. And sometimes I do get some hangnails as well, so I do like to remove those. So this these cuticle cutters, I believe they're from Amazon, or they were sent to me, I'm not sure, but I do have a really good pair of cuticle cutters that I did get from Amazon, and I will link those down below. And I also want to take the time to say thank you to everyone who has commented, liked and subscribed to my channel and my videos. So thank you guys so much. Every comment and every like really means a lot, and it really helps my channel grow. So if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. I do product reviews, I do all kinds of fun nail videos because that's just what I like to do here. So if that's the kind of stuff that you're into, then definitely hit that subscribe button, or at least like this video if you're enjoying it so far. So once I feel like I have prepped my nails really well, I'm using a base coat. This is just a To Be Glam one. Currently in love with their products, so yeah, definitely check out that review down below. And I'm basically just applying a really thin layer of base coat to my natural nails. I'm keeping this really thin. You really don't need a lot. I've barely got anything on the brush, to be honest. So yeah, just keep it really thin. And I like to do this just because it ensures that extra adhesion, because I have skipped this step before in the past by accident and on purpose, and I found that the nails started to lift like in about half a week. So yeah, definitely apply your base coat and definitely do good prep, because if you don't have good prep, then this stuff will fall off. So now that I have done that, I basically just stuck on my tips using the base coat gel, filed the free edge just to make sure it was nice and straight. And now I'm going in with this Dahlia, I believe, Polygel from Madam Glam. And I didn't realize this at the time, but this Polygel is actually got like small bits of reflective glitter in here, and I only realized it after when I was trying to get a quick video of them with flash, and I kept thinking it was like nail dust, and I was like, why is there so much nail dust? And I literally cleaned my nails like 3 times, and then I realized, oh, it's just like reflective glitter. So that was kind of cool. I guess maybe I should have applied a second layer. Maybe the reflectiveness of like the glitter would have come out more, but I didn't know. But I'll definitely try that next time. So that was really cool to know. And yeah, I really like this polygel. It's really soft actually. To me it's a bit softer even than the Macart one, which is my all-time favorite. And yeah, I just really liked this shade. It was like a nice nude rosy shade, and I love rosy nude shades. They're really flattering. So this is the one I went for. And I'm making sure to clean up my cuticle area really well. And yeah, don't worry if you're not too good with your application. Just make sure that you fix anything that you don't like through filing, which is always amazing. So yeah, just make sure that you also use your base coat gel as your slip solution, because that really has been a game changer for me since I have converted over to base coat gel. And yeah, you will just find that you are able to create a much smoother surface. You're able to move the polygel around much quicker. You're saving more time. And you also reduce your filing time, because I don't like to file too much. But when it comes to polygel, if I can take that extra step to get a nice smooth surface and reduce my filing time, I will. And that's obviously much different when I do that to acrylic, because with acrylic my application is not too smooth. So once the acrylic has set, that's it. Like, I have to file whatever is bumpy afterwards. So that's just one reason why I love polygel. And if you haven't tried polygel nails down below, please give it a go. I would love to know what you think. And if you've already tried polygel nails, let me know down below what you think as well. So now I'm just removing that sticky layer with some acetone. It's what I always have around. I love acetone. And now I'm basically just shaping and smoothing the surface. For all these nails, I found that I didn't have a bulky application. So I believe it was only the ring finger where I had applied it quite bulky. So I had to go in with my e-file for that one, I believe, the most. But what I'm basically doing is filing over the surface. I like to move my my right hand when filing, because again, this is my non-dominant hand, so it's a bit tricky. And that definitely helps me control. Of course, you can also rest your finger against your thumb, and then that also helps with controlling your hand filing. So yeah, just basically go over everything. Again, I'm using the 180 grit side. I don't find that I ever need a coarse drill bit or a coarse hand file to file polygel. I love polygel, it's really nice and soft to do. But for this finger, I did apply a bit bulky, and it was just taking a while for me to take down the bulk, especially with my non-dominant hand. So I just quickly went in with the hand file and it was good to go. So yeah, just make sure that you're happy with your filing and take your time on this part, because this can make all the difference between a poorly built nail to a really good looking nail that looks like you've spent hours on it. So then this bit is optional, but I like to buff my nails, especially when I'm not gonna be applying any color on top, because for some of these I'm not applying color to all of them. And I just make sure to buff everything, especially underneath where it's kind of sharp, and it can be quite painful sometimes, especially if you're like a fiddler, or if you're like, you might accidentally scratch yourself. So I like to make sure that the underneath of the nails, the free edge, is nice and buffed. So now I'm going in with this beautiful color. I love this color. I don't know what it is about this color, but I love it so much. It's a baby blue, but it's, I don't know, it's like, it's not that typical sky baby blue. It's kind of grayish, got like a grayish tint to it. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's just so pretty, and I'm just going over that with 2 coats. And this is from Rosalind. I do have a discount code with Rosalind. It's Kamin20 for 20% off rosalind.com. And I'm also using the 2B Glam nail foil and nail foil gel, which is absolutely stunning. And as soon as I saw this nail foil, I just instantly knew that I wanted to have it with this set. And yeah, it turned out perfect. Again, if you don't get your foil perfect, you can always add in some extra nail foil gel and then go over that with your gel, with your foil, sorry. And for this finger, I wanted to keep it a bit classic, just a nice simple French tip, which actually is my favorite one because it was just so nice and simple. And then of course I had to add some glitter. I didn't want to do any crystals because I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it for this one. So I just did some glitter. I used the Macart, oh I forgot what it's called, but it's one of the Macart polygels, the fairy gathering glitter polygels, the blue one. It's absolutely stunning. I will link everything down in the description box. And that's pretty much it. I repeated the foil nail to the pinky finger, and now I'm applying my top coat. I pulled out my old Glitter Bells top coat because I forgot I had it and I actually want to finish it. This is an amazing top coat. It's super shiny and it lasts a really long time. 2 weeks is really good actually with this top coat. So yeah, just applying a nice generous layer of that. Don't forget to cap your free edge, and don't forget to clean up the sides with your fingers to keep that beautiful shape that you have filed. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I know this was a quick one, but I've been quite busy recently, so I've not been able to upload on time, so I'm sorry about that. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these nails down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. And I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Was already shattered.